Are you mindlessly scrolling on TikTok?
Leave me alone, I'm just trying to relax a little bit.
Yeah, did you know that you trying to relax that anxiety through social media, you create way more anxiety?
What do you mean?
Well, see, the reason that you relax is there's so much dopamine and stimulus shooting at you that your thoughts are only focused on that.
Yeah, it distracts me, that's good.
Yeah, not really. Well, your dopamine gets raised so high on social media that your base level of dopamine stays so high. Now, since your dopamine level is on a new base level in the real world, when you're just walking through the park and there's not much going on, your brain has to reflect the same dopamine level, which means it has to shoot a lot of thoughts at you. That's where the overthinking and anxiety comes in.
Are you kidding me? I'm overthinking all the time recently and I have such high anxiety.
Yes, and then you make it worse and go back to social media to get that anxiety feel better.
Why is no one talking about this?
Well, I'm an advocate of teaching children that at school so they can build a healthy relationship with social media. Since the apps and technology always want to make everything bigger and bigger like metaverse and keep you on the platforms, which causes addictions, we want to teach our kids to use social media in a healthy way.
So can you teach us how to not be so addicted to social media and how to deal with anxiety?
Yes, I will in the next video because this video already been too long, and as we know, the higher dopamine baseline makes people scroll faster and faster.
Also, how can we make helpful videos like this more popular?
Well, you can share and comment, and then I would suggest you go off the app to accept the feelings that you have and do something that you value, like playing soccer.